Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how to get the TikTok widget on your phone. So this video is going to be very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, if you don't have the TikTok app, simply go ahead and open your Play Store, and on the Play Store simply search for TikTok, and finally go ahead and download it and install it. So once you go ahead and install your TikTok, one thing I'm going to tell you is that it's already going to go ahead and install the TikTok widget with the TikTok application. So in order for you to go ahead and use the widget, so you're simply going to go ahead and hold your finger on any part of your screen. So if you hold it for a solid 3 to 5 seconds, this screen is going to pop up where it says wallpaper, widgets and settings. So you're going to click on widget and finally scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find the TikTok widgets, as you can see. So if I want to go ahead and use the TikTok widget, I'm gonna tap on one, hold it, and then bring it out. So once I've done that, there you go, I can simply go ahead and use the TikTok widget. So it is as simple as that. If you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.